Hello again, YouTube. I have had some problems lately with my milling vises. I had two Chinese vises that I've been using, and unfortunately one of them cracked. So now I can't use that one anymore, and the other one I've been using, it's working, but I've never been actually pretty happy on how good the vise quality has been. So I found this company from Poland called Darmet. At least that's what they're branding their vises with. There's the logo, Darmet. And the price was pretty reasonable. It was like 250 euros each. I bought two of these vises. The other one's on the box still. You see, Darmet, made in 2020, and there's the serial SPZB 150/200. So that's 150 millimeters wide on the jaw, and you can clamp 200 millimeters between the jaws. And I'm pretty excited about these vises. They have 3000 newtons of pressure force, the clamping force, something like 3000 decanewtons. Yeah, it's 3000 kilograms of pressure when you clamp the part in it, or something like that. And I put one of the vises on my measuring block that's been ground flat and level, something I got from the university when they were throwing stuff away. It's made by Työkalu Oy, so Työkalu Company, which means tool company in Helsinki, and it's been accurized to something like 0.005 millimeters, so 5 microns. And I have my Syntec dial indicator there. Not the most accurate ones in the world, but what can you say? It's accurate enough to see if there is movement on here. But yeah, I'm liking this, what I'm seeing. They are very flat. There is no movement on the indicator. Sorry about the reflection. Trying not to hit the base. So, but yeah, all in all, what I'm seeing here, I'm liking it. Oh, now the vise is sliding. My table isn't level, it seems. But yeah, the dial indicator shows 0 on all the faces that I tried. So I can recommend these vises on the accuracy alone. I need to check them when I'm using them and when they're clamped down. And one thing I like about this type of vise, you have slots. Oh crap, just dropped my GoPro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 holes that you can quickly adjust the join, and then you just pull it back and tighten it, and then you can clamp your part. So it's very fast and easy to adjust, and the slots on every side, back, side, and in here. It's very convenient to clamp it on the milling table, because you can use the regular clamps on this, on every T-slot on the table, and just use the normal clamping on this one. Very versatile vise. And the jaws are narrower than the base, so you can flip it 90 degrees on every side you want to use it, because these are meant to be used as grinding vises also. But I'm going to use them as milling vise and see how it goes. If there's any problems with these, I'll update this video, but I don't think there are, because I've used these kind of vises before and they have worked great, especially on aluminium when there's more friction on the surface, but it'll also use it on steel and everything. But yeah, all in all, I'm liking what I'm seeing on this, and if I see something I don't like, I'm going to make an update on this video. But if you have any questions, put them down below, and I'll see you next time. You all be safe and healthy. Bye.